Friends, this is an emergency meeting. Our viewers demand more crafts and threaten to unsubscribe. Any ideas? We just built Lego. No. Folding napkins. Are you serious? A fidget spinner? She'll just spoil it again. You are no help at all! Oh, guys, can you suggest some cool craft ideas? Leave a comment below! What's a poor slime to do?
Sam?
What?
Why are you snapping?
Because no new ideas! So stressful!
I'm not so sure why you're so concerned. I have a ton.
Really? I asked viewers to help.
Great. And while we're waiting, I'll help you to relieve the stress.
Oh, Sue! You're the best!
Aw.
Sometimes.
Hey guys! Today, we'll make an unusual stress toy. We'll need some Orbeez, a big transparent balloon, and a bottle.
That's it. It's so not like you.
Not this time. First, I'll combine the Orbeez with water. So take the bottle and put the Orbeez inside. Look at them go. And now, the water.
I know. It'll get 100 times bigger.
You're right, Sammy. These small seeds will turn into grape-sized beads.
What do a grape and a rabbit have in common?
What?
They're both purple! Except for the rabbit.
Okay, let's fill the bottle with water, about halfway. And wait until they become bigger. Oh, right, the Orbeez have grown. Look, there's no more room left in the bottle.
I know they grow in water, but why?
Because Orbeez are a special polymer. When immersed in water, it absorbs it and grows. Kind of like diapers. Diaper stuffing is also a polymer, but it grows much faster.
Ew!
Now let's get our balloon on the bottle like this. Really, really tight. And transfer the Orbeez inside it. A little more. And all done. Now let's pull the bottle out and tie a knot just like this. Be very careful not to rip the balloon. Oh, wow! It's unbelievably relaxing. I think I'll make a pillow out of this. Hey, Sam, come here! Your stress will be gone in just a moment.
A diaper stress toy? No, thank you.
Guys, did you like my Orbeezingly relaxing stress toy? Then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't mind Sam, we've got lots of ideas for you. Bye!
That's just nonsense.